Greetings Earthlings and welcome back. My name is Kasey if you are new here, and today I want to talk about my favorite skincare products. It's pretty interesting because my skin is better now than it was in my 20s. I am 33. I definitely take my skincare routines very serious. In my 20s I struggled with acne, lots of redness. Me and my skin were at war in my 20s for sure. I do use Retina, really consistent with that for a couple of years now. I notice when I start slacking off on using that, my pores look super huge, I have more breakouts. For me, Retina has been life-changing. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I don't have any affiliate links. These are just products that I truly have been loving and using, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it. Makeup remover. Been using this Garnier Micellar Water, the blue one with a cotton round, to remove my eye makeup and also to remove any face makeup. I have really sensitive skin and this doesn't irritate me at all, and it does a great job at thoroughly removing everything. Next is my favorite cleanser. This is from Fourth Ray Beauty, and this is their AM to the PM gel cleanser, and it does come with a pump. Mine broke because it fell. It was on a really high shelf in my shower. Now I do use this cleanser in the morning and at night. It is a daily face wash. I love how gentle it is. It doesn't strip any of the natural moisture out of my skin, and it just leaves it feeling clean, soft, and fresh. So once I have my cleanser nice and lathered up on my skin, I like to take my favorite cleansing facial device. This is the Foreo Luna Mini 2, and I will just spend a couple minutes maneuvering this around my face. This helps with texture, and I just feel like my face is so much cleaner and smoother, softer. I don't know how it works, but it really makes a difference. I notice such a huge difference when I use it and when I don't, and my skin just looks more supple. So definitely one of my favorite cleansing tools. Next is actually one of my favorite steps in my skincare routine, and that is exfoliating. I absolutely love exfoliating. I do it once a week. This is the Rodan and Fields Enhancements Micro-dermabrasion paste. This stuff will completely give your skin a new texture. I'm talking like baby butt smooth. So you just take very little, a little goes a long way. I've used this so many times and I still have so much left. So I like to take that to dry skin and just massage. This is going to be your best friend if you use Retina. I use Retina, sometimes I use too much and my skin will purge, or I get really dry, flaky skin, and this completely removes and resurfaces my face. And it really does leave my skin feeling as if I just had micro-dermabrasion done professionally. So I will leave the info down below in the description box. I also use it on my legs and my butt. Oh my gosh, this stuff on your butt, you'll have the softest butt ever. This is one of my favorite face masks. This is the Drunk Elephant Baby Facial, and this is basically a resurfacer. It has 25% AHA and 2% BHA. It has our very necessary glycolic, a whole bunch of good stuff basically that dramatically smooths texture and will minimize the look of your pores, fine lines, wrinkles. This stuff again is one of those products that you are going to see a definite change in your skin. Another face mask that I cannot live without is the GlamGlow BerryGlow Probiotic Recovery Face Mask. I use this when my skin is looking and feeling dry and just dull, and it completely replenishes my skin, makes it super plump and just hydrated and moisturized and glowy, and I just cannot say enough good things about this face mask. Moving on to toner, I really enjoy this Botanics All Bright with Hibiscus cleansing toner. The scent is so nice. It promotes the appearance of a more even tone and texture in skin. It is formulated with alpha hydroxy acids, and I only tone my skin about twice a week. And on the nights that I use Retin-A, I definitely don't use a toner. I love using an essence. This is the Grace and Stella Rose Spray, and I love using this to refresh my skin. And anytime I feel like I just need some moisture, I'll just lightly mist my face with it. It helps balance pH, and I always just feel like a sexy fairy when I use this stuff. It's so refreshing, and if I'm having anxiety, sometimes I'll just use this and it kind of resets my energy. Next skincare product is a prescription. This is Retin-A, and I use the strength 0.1. Retin-A basically improves skin texture, it fades dark spots, freckles, and it causes skin cells to turn over more rapidly, and it shrinks dilated pores and improves cell turnover within the pores, so they are less likely to clog and become blackheads and whiteheads. And I only use this stuff a couple of times a week. If you guys want to know more info on this, let me know. I'll be happy to make a video dedicated to Retin-A. Moving on to serums. I absolutely love this Drunk Elephant C Firma Day Serum. This is going to help with uneven skin tone, any loss of firmness, elasticity, dullness, and uneven texture. You probably have noticed a theme here with the products that offer solutions for, uneven skin tone and texture. And I actually received this in PR about a year ago, and when I ran out, I noticed a change in my skin, so I repurchased this on my own a couple of times, and it's one of those products that it is, a little investment, but you will see results. This is another one of those skincare products that I have repurchased over and over again. I have tried tons of hyaluronic acids over the past few years, and I always come back to this one from L'Oreal. Basically, it's a natural substance that's found in the skin to keep it refreshed and youthful looking. As our skin ages, it becomes drier, and its ability to retain water lessens, which results in loss of firmness and fine lines. The hyaluronic acid is most loved for its incredible water retention properties, so this stuff will make your skin feel so plump and supple. I love it so much. This stuff is my bestie when I use Retin-A and when I use the glycolic mask at night. So basically this is packed with antioxidants. It's rich in omegas 6 and 9. So basically it helps to moisturize, rejuvenate, and nourish the skin. And again, if you are a Retin-A user, this is one of those products that, again, it's an investment, but it works so beautifully. Moving on to my moisturizer. Again, now that I'm in my 30s, I really want to focus on hydration and moisturizing the skin. So this Lala Retro whipped cream moisturizer has been so good to me. It's an intense hydration, but your skin can still breathe. I have really weird skin. Sometimes it's super dry, sometimes it's oily. It's always sensitive. And this is one of those moisturizers that I know I'm gonna be hydrated, smooth, and it really just plumps the skin and moisturizes it like no other. And I always apply my moisturizer after my serums. Moving on to eye cream. Actually, this is a serum, but this is the Elemis eye treatment, and I absolutely love this stuff. I don't know if it necessarily helps with reducing wrinkles, but I definitely notice a difference the way my concealer and foundation look around this area. So I actually use this to condition, I guess, my eye area, but I mostly use it to prep my eyes for makeup. Next is my sunscreen, and this is from Paula's Choice. This is the Youth Extending Daily Hydrating Fluid, and this is pretty much my go-to SPF. I put this on every single morning after I moisturize. And then I wanted to also share my night cream. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. And this is one of those products that I've actually owned for a while now. A little goes such a long way. You definitely do not want to apply too much of this stuff because it can feel pretty heavy, but this stuff is a lifesaver for Retina users. And lastly, I have my Burt's Bees Vanilla Bean Moisturizing Lip Balm, and that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, peace.